another guest word for all of you guys, but this time it's all about commonly used terms in qualitative research, which involves exploring phenomena in depth. Commonly used methods such interviews, observations, or textual analysis. Here are the 20 commonly used terms in qualitative research. Again, I have provided rubrics so you can personally assess yourselves. But remember, no pressure, just enjoy the learning. Data that is descriptive and non-numerical often obtained through interviews, observations, or open-ended questions. A structured set of questions or topics used by researchers to guide interviews while allowing flexibility for follow-up questions. A qualitative research method involves researchers immersing themselves in the daily lives and activities of participants to observe and record their behaviors and interactions. Detailed written records made by researchers during or after observations or interviews, capturing their observations, reflections, and impressions. Method of analyzing qualitative data to identify and interpret recurring patterns or themes. A qualitative research approach where theories emerge from the data itself rather than being imposed beforehand by the researcher. A qualitative research approach method involves prolonged immersion in a cultural group or setting to understand its social dynamics, norms, and behaviors. Specify the characteristics or conditions that must be met for individuals or units to be eligible for participation in the study. The use of multiple methods or data sources in qualitative research to enhance validity by cross-verifying findings. Individuals or groups who contribute first-hand experiences, perspectives, and insights relevant to the research topic in a qualitative studies. The extent to which qualitative findings can be applied or transferred to other contexts or settings. The point in qualitative data collection and analysis, where no new information or themes are emerging, indicates that theoretical saturation has been achieved. principles and guidelines that researchers must follow to ensure that the well-being, rights, and confidentiality of participants in qualitative research. The process of reflecting on how the researcher's background, experiences, and biases may influence the research process and findings. A qualitative research approach focuses on exploring how individuals experience and make sense of specific phenomena or events. A technique in qualitative research where researchers verify the accuracy of findings with participants to ensure their perspectives are accurately represented. A sampling technique in qualitative research where participants are selected based on specific characteristics relevant to the research question. Criteria that specify the characteristics or conditions that will disqualify individuals or units from participating in the study. It refers to the process of converting spoken language from audio or video recordings into written text. It refers to the process of systematically analyzing textual or visual data to identify themes, patterns, or categories that represent meaningful units of information.